everybody. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick video. It's easier just me doing it this way than me making a separate video. But I just got an email for 2 free 5x7 enlargement photos. I love these emails because I never get 5x7s, and I have a whole wall of pictures where I have tons of 8x10s, tons of 4x6s, but not hardly any 5x7s, so I have a lot of empty frames. So I am super excited to share this deal with you guys. Now this is a deal you have to do on your computer only. You cannot do it on your app. So what you guys just do is you go to your computer, or you can upload the pictures from your phone to your Walgreens website and then go to your computer and order them. But you just type in exclusive pics as the code, and you guys will get 2 free by 7s. Now this is for today only. I already have one picture I want to do, and I can't remember. I don't know what else I want to do, so I gotta figure that out. But definitely do that deal. It is a one-time deal, one-day deal, so definitely do it. So just remember, exclusive pics on your computer only. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.